So we're gonna test Easy Sight's patch system. 200 packer is all hooked up. We have a pre-packed 200 to 300 liner. We're gonna install a DN200 patch and a DN250 patch. It's the DN300, a 4 and a 600 packers with the machine control from the iPad. So we're gonna have all hooked up, normal 13 amp socket and just a normal air hose coming in to quick release. So that's the Easy Sight's flux patch material. So we're just getting all prepared for getting this all sorted. So we're gonna do DN200 to 300 material into a 200 and 300 pipe, and then we're gonna have a DN300 5mm material, which is sitting on the table here, and we are going to have a go at this. We're going to try to have DN300 and at least the DN400, possibly DN500 if it fits over the packer. So that's today's plan. So the guys prepare all cover the packer so it doesn't have any resin on it, and then we're going to be ready to get going. So here is Ronnie improvising, covering up the packer, so make sure that we have no resin on the silicone bladder.
You always want to keep your equipment clean.
So we had some sheet, clear sheet, and we made a pipe out of it just to wrap it around. There's some electrical tape, secure it to both ends, and I will be ready to get the material over it, pressurize it, and then get the light on. So 15-inch patch being cut.
15 and 18 on the bigger one.
15 on the small one, and we do 18 on the big ones. So that's the very first one on DN200.
Our stand is set up to work. Yeah, make sure the stand has exactly the width of the packer. I don't want to see it exposed. So you prepare your packer with your foil, very easy, and you just slide the material over the packer. So it's no wrap or something anymore. It's very simple. Then we take the electrical tape, because you want to mount the patch to the packer, because when you push them in, you don't want to let them slide in different positions. So you have to fix them on the packer. And this is mostly that you pull it together, make a wrinkle. Right. One and a half times of the wrap on an electrical tape, not more, because
and you'd recommend using electrical tape, so no people use
I use my lifelong electrical tape for working always, but just 1.5 times. If you do it too many times, wrap it around, then it won't extend as much. So this is pretty much ready to put it in. Now we have to put the wheels back on.
Connecting power, connecting air.
What should you do and run it? You want to get me a room? You want to sober?
Blinded.
The 8 inches a little bit tight here, the packer.
Once we're ready with this, then we're gonna push it into a pipe and cure it. And that's it. So much way to go. So, DN200 pipe, packer with the liner on, put them on extra holes, then I shove that down in a little
So then we select the diameter. You have a drop-down menu. When you, I love it. You can decide for this size of packer, DN200 or DN250.
Yeah.
Right now we make a DN200. We decide DN200, and we lock the diameter.
Yeah.
And then all the function of the buttons are available.
Yeah. Okay.
You'll get our payment for it. Got any done?
Oh, sorry.
So, DN250. I can place something down there. Okay.
Need to change the diameter.
Yeah.
I'm going to change the diameter to 250.
We lock the diameter again.
Log the diameter, okay? Yep.
And then we go to automatic inflation.
Yep.
Auto inflation. And you will inflate the packer by itself. And here you see a pressure. And this is set, I don't know, I think to 1 bar or something. I have to look up the menu.
Is it inflating?
No, now it stops the automatic inflation. It stops at 0.6 bar. And now we want to bring them all the way. Now we can manually increase the pressure. Right now. So we give them a little bit of time for it to start. For this reason, we don't want to go for the working pressure right away. Because we want that the material to expand. So it takes a little bit of time. So we will inflate them so the packer stands up. And then immediately manually start inspecting the material all the way to the wall of the whole thing.
So what is your pressure on it?
I have 1.1 bar.
1.1 bar. Okay.
And I think it's all the way inflated.
Yes, it is inflated, yeah. Okay.
So I'm on 1.2 bar.
1.2.
Pretty good. I give them a minute or two. That's just at the end, but a little bit vertical and migrated. And
We give it a bit of a time, get the resin migrate after the edges, give some primary bonding, and then we're going to start curing.
So that's us gonna switch the UV light in a minute. That's the light is on. And that's pretty much we start curing in about 8 minutes. We're gonna shut the light and that's us. Renee just turning the lights off. Yep, on you go.
Yeah, turn off.
Yep, that's us.
So the lights have gone off, and then
We're gonna dip.
normal I wait a few minutes before I keep doing it. So it's really interesting.
So avoid some shrinkage.
Cool it down.
You keep the packer on for about 2-3 minutes to just force the material out. Keep it like this for a couple of minutes, then deflate the packer, pull it out, and then that's us finished. Controller, and Ronnie just showed us that the light temperature is 38.9. The packer pressure is still 1.2, 1.1. 9.28 minutes we're curing, and the temperature of the curing is 50 degrees.
But it was higher, it's dropped down already.
Yeah, we nearly finished curing now, so that's why it's a bit cold. It was about 52, 53 degrees. So I think we're going to just shut the light and...
Do I need the information you've got here, the light temperature thing? Do I need to see that? Do I need to know? Yes, I do need to know. Yeah, right. I mean, what is that telling? Obviously, telling.
That's us factor out.
That's what we want. Yeah.
And now what we're going to do is we're going to cut that. Cut that product open. David has a knife as usual.
As usual,
The man himself with the knife. That's...
Yeah, I want to see the transition.
You don't need to cut it right up.
I mean, at first, guys, take a look too. How it really looks in the place. And we stretch this material from the N200 to 250.
Okay.
Before you cut it off.
So, cut this right up.
Solid as a brick. So it's the cured piece, and as you can see, there is nothing, no any wetness, no nothing, no glutiness, no. It's absolutely perfectly dry. So it's nothing in it. That's just a little piece of resin. So that's exactly what we want to